Where we go, Luna? It's only end of this area. No, Luna. Maybe there's a cat inside. Come. No, Luna. Come back. Luna, come back. Come here. No. Ah, okay. You go there. On that corner. Here. Only. Not there. Here. Ah, there's an ant, Luna. There's an ant there. Come. There's an ant. Here. Here, Luna. No, Luna. No, Luna. Luna, here, Luna. No. Here, we will come back. No, Luna. Luna, here. Don't go there. There's... Here. There's a lot here. You can have here like a whole grass. What's that? No, Luna. Go. What do you want? No, not there. Well, don't go there. We go in this side. No, Luna. Here, there's a cat there. There's a kitten. They have 3 kittens. Where's the kitten? No more kitten. Ah, there's a kitten there beside. Small kitten. Ah, we cannot go there. No. It's a baby kitten. See, they look at us. Baby kitten. Under the car. Luna, we go. Luna. Kitten is afraid. Come. No, Luna. We go home. Come. Luna? No, Luna.